Kung may sa ibang host, kaya dito muna dami nilang tambayers. Ay, ayaw mo nun. Gusto mo ikaw lang tambay. JC! Hi, JC. Kamusta? Parang na-follow na kita dati. Ikaw ba yun? Dalawa ba account mo? 14 Eyes, Eric. Hello, guys. Mickey. Hi, Eyes. Kamusta? RC, thank you. Steve Mac. Hello. Hello, guys. Mystery Man. Heart, you have IG. Yeah, follow me. Heart.yd. Tama ba? Heart.yd. Chinito, hello. Follow me, guys. Yeah, heart.yd. Freedom, BRB. Thank you, Drax. Ingat sa work. Thanks. Chris Eyes. Hi, guys. Kamusta? Sigma, hello. Mystery Man. Hi, Juan. Yamaha. Tiano. Minsan lang. Once in a blue moon. Yamaha, thanks for following me. Lucian, hello. Okay po, good night. Good night. Tutulog ka na. Gab, hello. Samsung. Mangkanor, hello. Kilua. I don't have school. Jan, hello. Kylie Russell, Kandari. Baby. Black. No work also. Hello, Prime. What's your name? Bantay. Good morning. Sino? Orange uniform. Hi, Mike. George Terlo. Marvin, good morning. Sayoko. Hi, Marvin. Good night, RC. Pre, bakit? Ano na? Dabi, Jen. Hello, Jen. Sino ba ito si Jen? Brother Tricks. Panda, hello. Someone is confirming if you are 100 single. Who? Who's that? Ano 100 single? 100% single. Yes, of course. Of course, yes. No baby. No baby time. S2. Yeah. S2. Hello. Sorry. Yes, 100% single. Is not convinced with your answer. Because he said he can take care of you. Really? I can take care of myself also. Independent, no? RC. But who's that? Yo, bro, you're there. RC, thank you. Hey, brother Trix. I don't have babe now. Babe now. Baby now. Tinder. Huwag ka na matulog, RC. Tumambay ka na lang dyan. No bebe time, sad. Parang nakalimutan ko na nga paano maglambing. Wala lang. Nakakatakot lang maglambing. Slut. Minsan namamanhid na ako. Parang nakakalimutan ko ng maging malambing. Kasi dati malambing naman ako eh. Pero ngayon, napo-poker face na lang ako. I'm free to be your bebe. Free. Lambing ng bombero. Paano all-time asa kids? Hindi naman all-time, syempre. Ngayon nga, gising sila eh. Kasi oras ng tulog nila. Grabe. Napaka-unproductive na. John D, hello. Oo, ganito oras live ko eh. Ayoko na mag-live ng ibang oras nga eh. 102. Two kids. One boy, one girl. Oo, hindi naman sila pupunta dito. Hindi niya pa naman sila nakikita ditong nangungulit. Nasa kabila silang kwarto or nasa sofa. Plus your future bebe. Uy, same. Nice. Yes, nasa kabilang room or minsan nandyan sa sofa. Kaya rinig. Nandun kasi sila nanonood. Dito sa kwarto ko walang TV dito eh. But hello.